Poppy and kittens to them. Poppy woke up with the sun in the sky, wagged his tail and let out a sigh. I need a friend to share our day, someone to laugh with, someone to play. Down by the meadow near the old oak tree, a curious kitten said, who could that be? With whiskers twitching and eyes so bright, Kitten said, hey there, let's take a flight. Poppy and Kitten, a team so true, chasing dreams under skies so blue, running through fields, climbing up trees, together they're as happy as can be. Kitten so happy and climb high. Poppy, carefully close to the sky, wagged his tail and let out a sigh. Kitten just giggled, it's all in the fun of chase that someone to laugh with, someone to play. Down by the lake near the old sand tree, finding treasures, Kitten said, who could that be? With whiskers twitching